was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey man, what the Hey man, it's your boy Cardi, man. I'll bring y'all back with another video, bro. Back to the YouTube shit. As you can see, bro, I'm gonna bring y'all to the journey with me to getting this scat pack, bro. I told myself, bro, when I get my scat, bro, that's when I'ma, you feel me, lock in. But, bro, it don't make no sense, bro. I might as well bring y'all with me to the journey. Man, what the fuck? You know what I'm trying to say, bro. But yeah, bro, I might as well just bring y'all with me, you feel me, bro. And yeah. Oh, my baby King look like he finna go to a dog modeling show or something. That nigga Nana look like he about to dig in some dirt. Bruh. Alright, y'all, so look, I'm back. I told y'all I was gonna hit y'all niggas up when I got some shit in motion. You know what I'm saying? And now I got some shit in motion. We about to go look at this scat right now, bro. We about to see what the fuck going on with it. Price good as hell on that bitch. That's why I just gotta go look at that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, I'm gonna tap in with y'all boys when I'm at that destination, nigga. Yeah. Alright, bro. Yeah, we just made it to this bitch. I'm gonna go look at this whip right now. Let's see what that bitch looking like. Oh, I see that bitch. That bitch looks smooth. Alright, y'all. This the car right here. Shit, we about to look at this bitch. You said what it got, though?
It got exhaust. It got brand new tires all around. It got security system.
Security system?
Up.
Yeah. That mother do sound good. Hell yeah. What's this right here? And what happened right here?
It's from spinning it.
Spinning it? I have to spin it. It's cool. This is smart.
I gotta go get it in the place.
Alright, man, that's cool. That's cool. I'm just looking around the car right now. See. We are cool. This is motherfucker right here. It's loud. I should have showed y'all me revving it. That motherfucker loud. I ain't gonna lie, but we about to get up in there and I'ma tap in. Break the fit though. Fit kind of ass. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, bro. Can tap in with y'all niggas in a minute. That was sick. Alright, yeah. Yeah, that was tight as hell right there. Shit. Good. Ooh. Party ass. What the fuck type of what side of the street this nigga driving on?
Me and my boys.
Oh, we got some Chick-fil-A. This her food right here. This my food. We about to throw down. I just want to show y'all this shit, but I'm about to eat though. I'm gonna tap it with y'all. Let me show y'all some handles, bro. You feel me? Oh. Yeah, I really do this, bro. You nigga want to work? You know what I'm saying? We can get this shit going. Space it out. Let's get it.
Ain't nobody even right here.
We get this shit rolling.